What's up, guys? You're here with Josh Bailey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. First off, I want to say thank you for getting me to 1 million subscribers. I appreciate the love and support. I understand that you guys are coming here to get information, so this is what I'm going to show you. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I eat in a day. And I normally eat about 3,000 calories, but I'm cutting it down to 2,500 calories a day. Looking forward to lose about a pound, maybe 2 in a week, right? You want to gradually lose weight. I don't really want to lose weight. I want to just cut fat, look a little bit leaner. So I'm looking to lose maybe about 5 pounds just to have a little bit more of a leaner and aesthetic look. So this is what we're starting with. All right, I'm gonna give you guys the macros as far as protein, carbs, fats, the calories, the measurements, everything that you see right here, I'm gonna put into an easy perspective for you to understand if you wanna try it. So let's start. You guys been watching this channel for a long time. You know I like to cook all of my meats from scratch. But if you're looking for a time hack, I just started partnering with Just Meats. Got chimichurri steak, herb, roasted chicken breast, smoked turkey breast, and all I got to do is put this in the pan for like 5 minutes to heat it up, and we're good to go. So if you guys need to save time, you want to try more meat flavors, if you don't like cooking, this is what you need right here in your life. My code is JBailey25. I'm gonna put the link to all of the information if you wanna order this below in the description. Guys, this is 2,500 calories. I'm 220 pounds, so I'm trying to lose 5 pounds. But I've measured everything accurately, the macros, the micros, everything that you need to know. You can follow this meal plan and you can lose and have the same results that I'm gonna get. One thing you wanna make sure you do is get plenty of water. I'm getting 4 containers of this bottle. As you can see, none of this food, I'm not depriving myself. I'm not just shying away from flavor. This is turkey. I'm gonna put a little bit of barbecue on that. I have sweet potatoes with pecans with brown sugar, cinnamon on that, some asparagus too. We have barbecue chicken right here. A little bit of barbecue rub, barbecue oil, avocado, jasmine rice, broccoli, and over here, this is my favorite meal of the day, breakfast. This is a cheese omelet with spinach. Got my bagel with jam, and I got some steak. And you can't forget your protein shake, okay? Everybody can't. Let's just say if I was to eat another meal, I'll probably go over, or I'll just have some lean meat and maybe a veggie, but blueberries, banana, protein, PB Fit, and some unsweetened almond milk, and that'll wrap it up. If you guys are trying to get in shape, all right, you don't know what to do, you don't know which direction to go in, I can help you. You gotta apply for my one-on-one coaching, see if we're a good fit for each other, and I can get you going in the right direction. But you guys know where to come. All right, this is it right here. This is what I eat in a day. Like I said, I'm not depriving myself. I still enjoy what I eat, and I want you to do the same. So don't forget, drop a like, share this video. Make sure you show some love in the comments, leave me some feedback, and I'll continue to bring these videos to you. All right, hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.